Alright, pretty stoked to have the new Yamaha 2200 generator arrive. This is going to be great for our trips. We're doing a big one right up through the top of North Queensland, through the Northern Territory to WA. It's going to be quite warm up there, and this is going to be enough to run the aircon in the caravan. One thing we find is, during the middle of the day when it's really bright and sunny, it's pretty hard to do some work and pretty hard to shoot at that time of the day, so we'd like to try and edit, but it's just too hot in the van. So we're going to be able to pull over at road stops, if there's anywhere, pull the Jenny out and hopefully run the aircon in the van. But let's unbox it and let's have a bit of a look. So here we are, the Yamaha 2200iS. So it's got a couple of good grab handles. I like the look of that already. Nice and easy to lift up. So the first thing you need to do is that they don't transport with the oil inside them. So you just got to undo these back screws on the back here. It's quite easy. Just undo them. Pull off the back panel. And here you have where you fill up the oil. I have actually already just filled this one up with oil, but it says on the manual to use 10 to 30 engine oil. Just remove the cap, fill it up to the level that shows you in the manual, a piece of cake. So now all we need to do is fill it up with some fuel, just regular unleaded. Remove the cap, it's got the filter in there. I've just got this nice jerry can with the flexible lead, making it a bit easier. It takes about 4 litres of fuel, and yeah, easy as that. Lid back on. Okay, so the Jenny's full of oil now, full of fuel, so we're ready to start it up and give it a go and see if it runs the aircon in the van. So the generator comes with a 15 amp plug, so your caravan leads fit perfectly, so straight from the van, straight to the generator. Let's see if we can get it started, change the engine switch to run, we'll pull the choke out, and let's see if we can get it started. Straight away, perfect, get the choke off, off she goes. Just let it warm up a little bit and then we'll put the circuit breaker on and see if we can get the aircon fired up in the van. So we've got the generator on, we've got the aircon on, we've got a couple of lights on. It's only gone up to the level 2 of 5 of the load on the generator, so it's absolutely killing it with this load. I'm just going to turn on every single light we've got in here, our inverter, our aircon on full ball, and let's see how the Jenny holds up to that. How good's that? The aircon's cooling down, we've got everything on in the caravan, and it's only gone up to 3 of 5 on the scale on the generator. So, this is going to be unreal. Can't wait to get out on the road when we need to pull over and do some work in the middle of the day. We're going to sit here in the aircon, nice and cool. Just put a few litres of fuel in the generator, so very cost efficient and easy way to go.